Okay, so here's how I want to do this. Um, Here's the SFR3. We can go ahead and add some columns here. And then one column will be Vinebrook. One column can be Conrex, Tricon, and then Roofstock. And so you can just go to Roofstock and then, okay, so Birmingham, Huntsville, Montgomery, Tuscaloosa. Those are all in Alabama. So Birmingham 1, Tuscaloosa 1, just like that. Same thing for Vinebrook. Now, if it's not on here, if it's not on the SFR3, go ahead and add, go ahead and add a row. You can do insert, insert row. And same thing for like Vinebrook and stuff like that. I opened up all these links. Here's Conrex. So we just go to each place, and then Ohio, bam, Cincinnati, Columbus, Cleveland, Dayton, and then mark those ones. So where's Ohio here? So Dayton, yes. Columbus, yes. Cleveland, yes. And Cincinnati, yes, for Conrex. Same thing for Vinebrook. So Atlanta, Birmingham. Like just go in and mark all these and add them if they're not in there. Same thing for Tricon. And roof stock you can get from here. So let me know if you have any questions.